Hey, what's up guys? It's Brandon Tomlinson and I'm here in beautiful Bowling Green, Kentucky. Earlier today I had the chance to sit down with our lead driver and supervisor, Brian Isenberg. Take a look how our conversation went. Can you just walk us through what a normal day looks like for you in your lead driver role, supervisor role?
Come in the mornings, go through the truck inspections from the previous night, making sure that what trucks may be out of service out through the night, make sure what trucks was pre-trip, and go over through trailer maintenance, look at our out of service trailer maintenance, send those in to get those repaired as quickly as we can. Right now we're running 364 trailers here in Bowling Green, so we try to keep, keep a lot of work on trailer maintenance and keeping trailers going. Running 32 trucks here in Bowling Green, shuttle trucks, so a lot to maintain, make sure PMs are getting done when they need be, and going through that. So
that's awesome.
Pretty good mornings.
Yeah, so I bet you're definitely busy. So you're kind of overseeing all the maintenance, seeing all the tractors, all the trailers, and then what is your relationship with the drivers out of Bowling Green?
One of the first ones they see when they come in. They come to me, get their truck assignments. We do have truck assigned to each driver, but if they come in and their truck is out of service, then they'll come to me. I assign them another truck here. Yeah. And go through that. So.
That's cool. So you gotta have that smile on, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta have a smile here.
Yeah. Okay. That's really cool. So it's all assigned tractors out of here.
Yes. All the drivers are assigned.
That's a great thing.
Assigned tractors. Yes. So it makes you feel more comfortable if you're driving the same truck, because you notice if one little noise goes on with your truck, where if you're driving it daily, then you kind of know something's not right.
Yeah, absolutely. And then, so we're here in Bowling Green. What is can you speak to the operation, what the guys are hauling and what they're doing from a day-to-day?
Yes, we do all the shuttle operations for Hinkle here in Bowling Green. Okay. We do transport, as far as we go with them, is Portland, Tennessee. Yep. Average about 30 miles down, 30 miles back. We got several locations here in Bowling Green that we go for Hinkle, moving their freight to and from. Averaging about a little over 500 trailers and 12-hour shifts, so between 26 drivers, we stay pretty busy.
That's a lot of moving.
Yes, it is.
A lot of back and forth.
Yes, it is.
Okay, and then there's also yard jockeys, right?
Yard jockeys, we got yard jockeys at each of the stable warehouse locations, and they'll move on average about 60 trailers and 12-hour shift. Of course, they're not moving on real far length, but 60 trailers in 12 hours, moving a lot of trailers.
Yeah, that's a lot of work to be had and to be done, right?
Yes.
Okay, so as the role that you're in, obviously as a lead driver, and you've trained a lot of these drivers, right?
Yes.
So you obviously have your CDL.
Yes.
So how long have you had your CDL, and what got you into trucking when you first started?
Got me into trucking was my dad on the logging business when I was growing up, and I always loved riding with my dad in the truck. So when I got 18, I went to work for an operation where I stayed on the yard so I could drive a truck legally. I just didn't get to come off the yard. Stayed there till I was 21. 21, I got my CDL. I've been in shuttle business the whole time, whole 21 years.
Wow. Yep. What do you like about it? What is it that draws you to that?
The biggest thing is you stay busy. I'm one to not just sit around and feel like the day is just ticking by. I like to stay busy. So in the shuttle business, you're hooking and dropping and stay pretty busy.
Right. So you got to get your hands on something, right?
Yes.
You don't want to just be a steering wheel holder?
Right.
Can't do it.
No, can't do it.
Can't
just stay there.
All right. So you've been here a little over 5 years, right?
Yes.
So what has made you stay here with Cowan?
I think the people. We have some really good people here in Bowling Green. I think the people is one of the biggest things. I'm home at my own bed every night, so that's the thing that kind of draws me away from the over the road end.
Of course,
like being home.
That's cool. Well, that's great to hear. Plus, you get to be in a truck sometimes if you want.
Oh yes.
There's work to be had if you want it, right?
There's always work here.
That's really cool, man. So, Christmas is coming up, right?
Yes.
It's the holiday season.
Yes.
So we got to touch on some things. So, for you, what is the best Christmas gifts that you ever received?
3 years ago, I received a border collie.
Yes.
Something full-blooded border collie I'd always wanted. Finally found a registered full-blooded, and his name is Diesel.
Diesel?
Diesel. Really
for a
smart
trucker. I love it.
really smart
Yeah.
dog. You can show him a couple times something and he's there on it. He's
Ready
really
to go.
smart. Yes.
That's great. Well, that's awesome, man. Well, we appreciate your time today. We appreciate everything that you do for Cowan Systems.
All right.
All right, man. We'll catch up with you soon, Brian. All right. All right, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, buddy.